value added is how diverse it is, the company offering in terms of geographical locations, but also the variety of companies that we're able to visit from many different industries that have many different visions.
It was really interesting to see how the operations are handled here at Glovo and what kind of different paths that we could have in the company.
I think the company visits give you really good insights about the companies you want to apply for in the future. They explain a bit about what they do, the company culture, and also the opportunities they give the students.
I feel like having EADA giving us company visits is really an added value because thanks to that I'm able to have real-world experiences and know exactly what kind of career paths or what kind of industry I want to get in, and also network and start having talent acquisition partners on my LinkedIn, and then that's going to help me foster connections and hopefully get a job.
They actually give us real-life experiences and are more important than the usual classes that we can have in any regular school. So I think this really adds value to the whole EADA experience for me.